How's it going, guys, and welcome back to Vogelli Outdoors. We are back at the same lake we were on the last video, only this time I'm gonna target more of the predators in this lake. There's wiper and walleye and some really nice largemouth, so we're gonna throw some blade baits and some swim baits and see what we can do. See ya. Got us a nice little largemouth here. Smack the old blade bait. Ow. Bottom hook got him good. Nice little largemouth. They're up here chasing little minnows and shad and stuff. They've been hitting the surface all morning, so see what else we can catch. There's a nice crappie. I didn't get the hook set early enough. Crappie on the blade bait. Man, buried that one. Nice crappie. See what else we can get for the next couple hours. I think I got a little largemouth. Just a little fella. Buried it right in the corner of his jaw. There we go. Just a little guy. Pretty though. See what else we can get. Got here. Largemouth. Oh, well, catch and release, I guess. It's been kind of tough today. That was my first fish in probably an hour or so. Should have brought night crawlers for backup, catch some bluegill and stuff at least, but it's all right. See what else we can get. That's the second time that's happened. Get a crappie to the boat and they fell off. Little crappie. They're smacking it. Just a little guy, but he about yanked that pole out of my hand. It must be ambushing. There's a lot of fish about that size in here, so I threw on a blade bait and been having a lot more hits. So let's see what else we can get. A channel cat. He sure felt a lot bigger. Cute little guy. All right, it's getting a little better. Well, it's probably going to be a short little video. I'll try to make some better ones. I'm thinking about doing some more catfishing and stuff like that now that the water's almost 90 degrees. But thanks for tuning in and following me and liking my videos. It's much appreciated. If you could please subscribe and share and like if you haven't. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.